On behalf of the service engineer, Mr. Taiwo Adeboje, I welcome you to the ERUWA Automotive Repair Workshop. Here is one of his associates, Mr. Shola Ojenike, who specializes in the repair and replacement of the suspension system. The suspension system comprises of the coil spring, the damper, that is, the shock absorber, the knuckle, the control arm, the wheel hub, and the axle, which connects the tires to the body of the vehicle. The suspension system acts as a cushion and can reduce to the minimum the effect of road shocks and vibrations. This mechanical system supports the weight of the vehicle. It makes cornering very easy, so much that when a vehicle approaches a corner, it will not roll over. The suspension system keeps the tires in firm contact with the road surface. Ultimately, the front wheel is able to turn right or left, acceleration is easy, and the brake can be applied, and the vehicle will not dive. The ERUWA Mechanic Garage kept my car up and running when I complained of hearing a squealing noise each time I applied the brake. With modern computer diagnostic tool, it was decided the clutch disc had to be replaced. I watched closely as the technician lifted the car up with the hydraulic floor jack to get under the car and remove the gearbox in order to get at the pressure plates, the clutch disc, and the flywheel. The mechanic garage is open 6 days in the week, Monday to Saturday. Come over and take advantage of their efficient service. Thank you.